everyone, it's Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to do a video which is based on rose water. You guys might be knowing that rose water is used in various type of food, but you guys might not be knowing that it is also very useful for our skin. There are many benefits for using rose water. Some of them are like deep cleansing, balancing the pH as well as the oil, get rid of infections and makes the skin soft and smooth. So in this video, I am sharing with you some very useful hacks of using rose water, which will be very helpful for our skin. So let's get started. First hack, cleansing. In this hack, I am taking a cotton ball and pour some rose water on it. Now apply this cotton gently on the face. Now you can see all the dirt and dust on the cotton. Your face is now clean and fresh. Second hack, toning. In this hack, I am taking a cotton ball and pour some rose water just like the previous hack. Now apply the cotton in this way, in the area which has pores. So rose water is the best substitute for toner. Third hack, dewy glow. In this hack, I am taking a little bit of moisturizer and a few drops of rose water and mix it properly. Now I am applying the mixture on my face. So guys, you can now see there is a dewy finish and glow on my skin. This hack is very effective for dry skin. Fourth hack, makeup setting spray. In this hack, we need a spray bottle. Fill half of this bottle with rose water and the other half with aloe vera gel. Now shake it properly and use it as a makeup setting spray. Those who can't afford buying makeup setting spray can follow this hack. Fifth hack, makeup remover. In this hack, I am making a natural makeup remover. To do this, I am taking 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a container and mixing it well. Now dip a cotton ball on the mixture and remove your makeup. Sixth hack, face mist. During summer, generally we feel very clumsy and tired, and also we sweat a lot. So to feel refreshed, we can use rose water as a face mist. Rose water is best suited when it is used as a face mist. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.